Now see this again, 21 atomic number. According to this pattern, my electronic configuration was coming as this. That is, I was filling up 4s2 first, 4s first, which can hold 2 electrons, then coming down to 3d1. See here, 3d is after 4s. But actually, in the shells, you also know that the first shell is there, second shell, and then third shell. That means we will rearrange it. This should actually come on this side. So we fill this up first, but 4s is actually after 3d. This is very, very important. So change it and write it, rearrange it and write 4s later on. Because if I now ask you how many are there valence electrons, this is the last electron. So this is the number of valence electrons, not this. So put them in proper order after you have filled up according to that. Even if you fill that up first, but the shell remains here. Now look at 24. I filled up according to that. It comes as 3d4 and 4s2. I've rearranged and then written 3d first and 4s later, although I had filled this first and then 3d. So 4s2 is the last one. Again, valence electrons are 2 here. Now when it is 3d4, this is an exceptional case where I'll have to rearrange it and put 1 electron from here till here, making it 3d5 4s1, because half filled is more stable. To give stability to the atom on its own reorganizes itself. So there are 2 important atomic numbers, which is 24 and 29, where if you write this electronic configuration completely, you will get 3d9 and 4s2. This will also reorganize and become 3d10 4s1. 3d10 is more stable because the d orbital, d subshell, can hold 10 electrons. Here it is half filled, here it is completely filled. So half filled and completely filled are more stable. I am writing the electronic configuration in box notation. So for S, we just make one small box. For P, we make 3 small boxes altogether. And for D, we make 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one can hold 2 electrons. That means D can hold 10. So there are 5 columns here. To have 2 into 5, that is 10 electrons. So see here, there is 1s. So this is 1s. 1 electron in clockwise direction, the other in anti-clockwise direction. So these 2 electrons I have made here. Similarly 2s. This one is 2s. So I am making one in clockwise, the other in anti-clockwise. Now in P there are 4 electrons. Now 4 electrons, I cannot put 2 here and 2 here. There is a rule which says that first each block will get 1, 1 and then pairing will take place. So I'll first make 1 here and 1 here. And now 3 I have used. The 4th one I can make it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons will be filled up in this way. Now similarly here, 21, the electrons can be made this way. Okay, no need to make the entire arrow, you can make a half arrow. So 2 electrons here, so 2 electrons here, then again 2 electrons here, 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electrons. So similarly we will fill up all of them and show that this inside the boxes how these electrons are present.